Hi, and welcome to Introduction to Sociology. I'm Professor Fenlon. This is just a short video to let you guys know what your week looks like. This week we'll be covering Chapter 6, Social Control and Deviance. So we spent last week talking about socialization and the construction of reality. So we learned a little bit about the process of how people learn social norms. They learn from their family, they learn from school, they learn from their peers. But what happens and why do people choose to be to engage in deviant behavior? To say, I know what the social norms are because I've been socialized, but I'm going to choose to do something else. So we're going to talk about what that looks like in society. And we're going to look at what are some of the methods that society uses to try to keep people kind of in line, to keep people within those social norms. So this week, as most weeks, you have a homework assignment and a discussion question to do. So we'll find the homeworks right here in lesson plans, assignments, and tests. Homework assignments right here, deviance and social control. So you will read the chapter before class, and you will go ahead and answer this by Friday. The discussion question this week is on a video this is one of my favorite videos that I show, and this looks at a prison in Texas and a prison in Norway, and looks at some of the different approaches that those societies take um, to incarcerating people. So please watch this video and then respond to the discussion question. And don't forget to respond to your peers as well. So that is it for this week. I look forward to seeing you all for lecture. And please, as always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns for the week. Thanks so much. Have a great week.